The bloodworm, tug dealer style. Oh, okay, looking at my egg weight. Dude, there's a lot of papilla, but I'm looking at my alley. Oh, right there. Oh! Woo! Woo! What is up, you guys? Welcome back for another video with your boy, Brother Dre. We got Kirby over there getting his truck situated. It is another beautiful day that our Lord has made. We are at a new zone. First time being here. First time fishing here, so super excited. There's a little bit of onshore winds coming in right now, so that's what we want if we're gonna do some drone fishing. Curves, let's get it. What you doing? Updating your Facebook status. Just got to the beach, gonna catch some fish, hopefully.
Hopefully gonna get me some oil.
All right, game plan, Stan. Send out our poles, and then we're gonna do some wit.
Why is it gotta be Stan? Why can't it be like Pan or like Jam?
Wait, what? Shout out to Brother Capone from Shaka Fishing because I'm gonna do that rig that he did with CJ at that one spot. Swivel, weight, but I got 2 hooks, so I'm gonna drone this bad boy out, throw some shrimp on them, and let them chill in the sand. He's shrimping. Okay. Okay, ready? Sick. Whoa, 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 whoa. Don't hit the tree. Ah, no way. No feet. What kind of pole holder is this? This is pieces of, what the fudge? What kind of pole holder doesn't hold a pole? Loosen up this drag. I think we're on the ground. Let's send Brother Kirby out there. Nice straight, dang it. There we go. Oh, the birds, like sample my drone. So you're about 950 feet out and down. Sweet. Let's do some whipping, guys. Whip and dip. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. Come on, some big bento right now. If you catch a fish, I'm down there. Oh,
Put your drone down then.
I'm all excited. Wait, oh, I got some. Oh no, stuck on the rock. Dang it. So about a week ago, me and Kirby did a holo session down at one of our spots in Quite High. And right before we could get our lines out, some guy named Rodney came out off of his boat and he's like, "Oh, you guys like fish?" I was like, "Oh, okay." He ended up hooking us up with some fish. Here, check out the footage. All right, dude. Thanks for.
This guy's died.
That looks like a scrapper right there.
Yeah, get cooler.
Yeah, we get one.
Yeah, but take this.
No.
Yeah, you eat this raw.
No.
Lehi.
Oh my gosh, dude. Lehi. Hey, thank you so much, dude. I really appreciate it. This is grind. Andre. Or
Andre.
Dre.
Andre, Rodney.
Rodney.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, my man. Big mahalos, for real.
Yeah, right.
Thank you, Brother Rod. Yee. Yee. Nice guy. What a great guy. He gave us the load of fish. Look at that. He said raw. Lehi. I wish I could scrap this on the drone. This is blessings for real. Bro, I'm stoked. Look at this. We could nail this tail right into this metal pole, right in the no fishing within the harbor. Right here. Right in the middle. Nah. See little papillos cruising around. Oh, stickfish going. Really? Again? Oh, there we go. If we catch a stickfish, I'm sending it out on the drone. Alright, tug dealer style. But I never did really use this blue one before. It's like a little fish, pretty sick. Let's go. I don't see any black, I don't see much hoggy. Oh, looks like it has, oh, is something going for it? Oh, I crossed my line. Sick. Here we go, look, I'm gone the bait. The wind picked up a lot. Going to my favorite, the bloodworm, tug dealer style. I don't know what it's called, it's clear and has like a light purple tint to it, so I'm excited for that one. Bloodworm. I know where Kirby's at, I don't want to cross his line, but I kind of do. The beach is loading. Coronavirus! Coronavirus! Oh, boom! I got on the whack on that. So I got a new pole. I had to replace the one that I lost on this video. Yeah, super sick though. This is the Batallion, just like my drone pole, but way smaller. Oh, Papilla looking at my egg weight. Oh, come on! Oh, no, Papilla's looking at my egg weight. Come on, are you serious? There's a bait right behind him. Grab the bait, it's right there. Dude, there's a lot of Papilla, but I'm looking at my alley. Oh, right there. Ooh. Oh! Woo! Woo! Let's go! Oh my gosh! Yee! Let's go! Yeah! Oh, black Papilla! Black Papilla! Black Papilla! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Omilu just didn't whack my bait. Look, holy crap! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, dude, it's looking at that bait. Oh my gosh! Oh, let's go, tug dealer, baby! Bro, there's at least a 3-pounder in here, dude. He swam right through to my Omilu. Yeah, dude, bro, right up to him. Woo! Let's go. Flowers, tug dealer. Sick one. There's probably like 12 inch. Don't show him that though. Oh, you like eat him? Bro, good size. Poodle. Sick. Bro, I thought it was on Black Omilu, dude. It came in so dark, but then after it seen the fish, bro, I think it was gonna eat it, dude. Let's go, baby. Tug dealer. Oh, I was actually still smiling. It works. Bro, they better not swim by us. You should fish it over here and you guys like swim. Bro, I remember swimming in front of people's poles and getting yelled at. Like, not even yelled at, snapped at. But you never swim in front of people's poles, that's for sure. What's more important, you looking at our fish? I was trying to catch it. A good sized eel, like on the top of the water over here. An eel? Yeah, dude. Like the reddish, brownish one. When it had that one action bite earlier, that was action. So brought a Omilu from Catching Cook, he was on our side of the island. He hit me up for a quick holo session, so we did. It was pretty cool. Yeah, check out that footage. Yes, the shark over here. That's Kirby's favorite animal. Shark. Especially when you're diving with bloody fish. This is. Or if you go surfing with me too. Oh yeah. Cast for the boys, backward style. That's right, guys. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I just posted some of that clips.
Wacky. Look.
Why?
Come on, take it.
Come on, Curbs.
It's not me, it's how the fish bite.
They get on pandemic too, I think. Secatera. Everybody fishing, diving.
Pan fry.
Hinaleas. Whacking hinaleas. Yes, a 3-prong hinaleas.
Have a flower.
Gee. But what 3-prong? It's yellow tang, a spicy yellow tang poke. Well, hello. I think I have a nibble. Could be just a rocko. Ah! Am I stuck too? Oh my gosh! But we're both stuck.
You like duck shit.
Ah, that's terrible. Well, nothing on that one. I think we're gonna switch spots and try somewhere else. Why not? That's all, 4-wheel driver.
Not even a 4-wheel drive.
Yes, 2-wheel driver. Ooh, that's pretty crappy. Check out this spot. Exploring today.
Look at this, a Hustler's DVD case. The year's best movie.
Oh my gosh, the year's best movie. Oh bro, I guarantee big boys out here. Yeah, I don't know about catching fish, but I've been even catch STDs. That's sick spot though. Wow, look at that, it's like a cave. Oh, look at that rubbish. Come on people, pick up your rubbish please. Ah, sick. We're here at the spot, so sick. We gotta bring in something big. 60 you get bent. Pass me the beach. Definitely, what is this? Let's go! Bruh, title lure? Yeah guys, check that out. This is probably right at that 10-inch mark, if not 9 inches, right underneath. So sick. Sick one, boys! Bloodworms, look at that. Green one, never did use this color before. Totally worked. Oh, alright, yeah, just stab my finger, right? Just shoot. Finger stabber. Definitely throwing this one back. Yes, sir. Let's do that again. I've been getting more action on the whip than I have been getting on the drone. Oh, the Moano and Hinalea. Bro, we're sending those out live. Ow! Holy crap, look at that. Kirby said the truck will take his spot in a little while. Roger. I needed some bait. Oh, my toe hurts. Wow, what? I got something. Bait, no trigger, no trigger. Hey, Hinalea, let's go. Whee! Hinalea Slayer. I know, you got to fish with the Hinalea Slayer. Oh, some good size. Ah! Don't hate, catch bait. Boom! Hoggy! Oh man! Oh, it came off! I bet you was that Hoggy. Oh, bait is gone instantly. Cast in a different spot. Oh, no, wait. Oh, instant whack. Whoa, on. Kubibi probably. What is that? Oh, sick! Is that like, it's a parrot fish? Ooh, Hinalea? Something like that? Parrot? I have no idea. I gotta look that up. It shall be right. Look at it, sick. Yes, boom! What is this? Big one, hey, good size. What is this? I don't think it's a Hoggy. What the heck is that? A broomfish. What the heck? Oh, they came off. Big broomfish, dude. That one hit on there. Look them. I had 2 fish on. Action. Dude, I'm on. Instant. What is that? That's check this out. Yee. Clean them up, baby. Who's that Pokemon? Hinalea Slayer today. I think it's time for the drone. Yeah, oh, you're on, bro. You're on. Wait, yeah, bro, you're on. Yes, I'm bait. But you gotta choke my boost them. Yee. Ah, too much sauce you put on. Too much sauce. Alright, Kerbal. Never a good sound. That. The wind just kicked up mental. Oh shit. Oh, that wasn't good. GoPro, stop recording.
Oh, GoPro totally caught that.
GoPro, I said stop recording. This is embarrassing. That would have been bad. What? Come on, droner. Trying to drone fish here. There we go. I seen them drop. Let bait up their boost.
I'm over it. That one strike was in.
But his bait is live, that's for sure. Stop! Oh no!
You on?
Dude, I don't know.
Stop. Let's go home already.
Man, we're not done yet.
I'm over it.
We're not done yet, Kirby. I'm so like heartbroken. I am heartbroken.
These drones got some problems.
Oh.
To the sun! To the sun!
To the sun!
3, 2, 1.
About 900 feet up. Oh, you're on curve. Yeah, curves.
Only one Roy though.
You think you want to Roy?
Yeah.
Oh, yes, bro. Kirby's on. Last live Hinalea. Yeah, Kirby!
He's just going to
Fucking dive.
Bah.
There has to be an Omilu. Boost that vlogger. Oh, I'm stuck. I am stuck. What the fudge?
Bro, what is this guy doing? Bro, he went in a hole again. Bro, he's not coming out. I'm not cutting this line. I go wait here till this come out. You gotta come out. You gotta come out!
Oh, there, bro. Keep it tip up and boost this. Yeah, keep it.
Yeah! Come here! Boss, he keeps going to that ledge. What's up the fuck? Not mine, but he keeps going back in that hole. He comes out, goes back in it.
Oh, that's shiny. What do you have here, Kerbal?
I say it's a Roy. We're not leaving here till this guy come out. I don't care if it's Sunroy.
Whipping in the sunset.
Andre's YouTube channel is the best.
I'm on. Oh, oh, oh. Yes, sir. Papi un papillo. Oi. Ui. Papillo, I think. Oh, and lie. We're not a lie. Yee! Taylor Lewis, baby. Yeah. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. Oh my gosh, hip. Yes! Yee! Yeah, what a way to end the day on freaking tug dealer. Okay, I probably look all hash, but excuse me, change the way you see, not the way you look. So, frick yeah. Probably the same size as the one I caught last time. Wait. Yee! We did some drone action today, but we didn't catch much off of the drone. I don't think we caught anything off of the drone. I still hope you guys enjoyed the video. We had some fun. I hope you guys did too. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know when we post another video, and comment, tell us what's up. And I hope everybody's staying safe now that Hawaii is starting to open again. Alright guys, you're fishing fish safe. Take all your rubbish off of the beach. Aloha mahalo, and until next time, shoot.